Do you want to know how you can log into your Viventium Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Viventium Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and go to the search bar and search for Viventium Payroll login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official employee self-service of Viventium. But if you click on the second link, it will take you to the client login. So these two are two different things, so you can go through your client or employee login this way. So it is the same, it's just the email address and the password with which you have registered with. So same goes for the client one. Go ahead and write down your email address in this first box and write down your password associated with your account in Viventium Payroll and check your account once and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Viventium Payroll account as well as your employee and your client account. So if in case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and you can reset your password once again. And if you want to see your password, just click on this option over here. So guys, this is how you log into your Viventium Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.